Hello and welcome, my name is Taylor and I'm super excited to share this video with you and super excited in general because tomorrow morning my brother and I are headed to Borneo. Yes, Borneo. I'm so excited, I can't believe this moment's already here. So I just wanted to show you everything I'm packing. I'm basically going to be living out of a backpack and let's just get right into it. So first thing, very important, my laptop in this case. Second is my money / passport bag. I also carry my international driver permit and credit cards in here. Next is just a bag to carry fruit and groceries. Next is my electric shaver. It saves so much time compared to a conventional razor. This is my backpack rain cover, which I'm definitely going to be using because it's going to be raining so much. This is my silk sleep mask for sleeping on the plane and things like that. Next is my cords for charging everything. So my laptop charger, phone charger, other chargers. This is really helpful. It's an international travel adapter. So it allows me to plug into any outlet in any country. This I just got today. I'm really happy I got it. It's called a Power Cube. It's basically a power strip in a compact form, and it also has these two USBs, which I'll definitely be using. Moving on to my lock, just for when I need a locker or to lock anything. This is really important. Just a basic first aid kit. It's always safe and smart to travel with one of these. Moving on to my toothbrush and my pen, my 4 colors in one pen, my knife, which also doubles as a spoon, my metal spoon for eating harder things, tweezers, nail clippers, floss, very important for dental hygiene. Don't underestimate floss. And speaking of dental hygiene, these are essential oils, clove and peppermint. I like to make my mouth rinse out of these. And some extra hair ties, retainers for keeping my teeth straight. The supplement I'm taking, vitamin B12, very important. Also, a book. I always like to be reading a book, whether that's an ebook, an audio book, or a physical book like this one. This one is actually Pottinger's Cats, A Study in Nutrition. It's pretty good so far. Next is my headphones and my phone. Now, moving on to my clothes. So this is just a pair of warm socks. When I need them, I'm just packing one pair of socks. This is my rain jacket, windbreaker, whatever you want to call it. Next are my shirts. I'm only packing 3 pairs of shirts, plus the one I'm going to be wearing. So a long sleeve, 2 short sleeves. Now for the shorts, 2 pairs of hybrid shorts. Hybrid shorts, you can wear them in the water or just as regular shorts. Next, my sandals. Now, I plan on being barefoot most of the time because, health and grounding and stuff. And I'm also packing a spare pair of laces for these shoes because these might wear out soon. And getting close to the end, this is my water bottle, my reusable water bottle. It's a Nalgene. It's pretty trustworthy. And for the star of the show, the JanSport Agave 32. It's a 32-liter backpack, so not too big, not too small. It's just right to fit all of this stuff. And for the stuff, I didn't show you, I'm going to be wearing this sweater, probably under my windbreaker, and this pair of pants. And that is all I'm bringing. Oh, and this GoPro I'm filming on right now. And if you're interested, I'll include some links of a lot of the stuff here. So You're welcome to check those out. They'll be in the description box. And so I hope this video gives you an insight on how to pack lightly, how to pack smart, and to show you that you don't need as many things as you think when you're traveling. So that is all for now. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, much love, and I'll see you in the next one.